Alright guys, Texas Brent coming back at you. We're back up on Deer Lakes today. We're going to come up here this evening and see if we can't get on some more trout. The boys are going to use fly rods. I'm going to be throwing some dough bait. There was a guy up here yesterday catching some pretty good ones on similar to a drop shot rig with dough bait about 8 to 10 inches off the bottom. So I'm going to try to do that. He had some really nice rainbows, fish twice the size of what we caught. The boys, they're definitely going back with the fly rods. They can't stand to sit still. They like throwing them flies and wading in the water, so I'm trying to get on some bigger fish. Something a little bit easier to clean, a little bit better to eat. So y'all come on, let's go.
Is it a good one? It is? That's a keeper. And just what? Yeah.
Trout chaser in action today. How many we get, Dylan?
Let me see. 9.
9? Hold them up. 9 big old sad daddies.
Nice lake trout.
What flies did y'all catch them on?
Purple haze.
Purple haze? Dylan, was you using the purple haze?
Yes, mosquito and purple haze.
Mosquito and a purple haze. Good job. We ended up with 9 this evening. That's a pretty good day. Got to see some wildlife. Got to see a big bull moose. Got to see a cow moose. Had a good time with the boys. They wrecked them again today. They get out there in the water. Show them to them, Dylan. One of the many things they do here in Lake City, Colorado to make you feel at home.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I've got some of the fish we caught up on the mountain. I told you we was gonna do a catch, clean, and cook. My father-in-law's down there right now keeping the fire stoked. We got a big frying pan. We're gonna try to cook it kind of an older, traditional way. I'm gonna go with the Tony Ketcheria's fish fry. We're gonna do an egg, milk, dip, and then go into the batter with the fish. So I like to fry fish. That's my favorite way to eat fish. So that's why we're gonna do it today. Brad ain't here to make me boil it or bake it or smoke it, so I'm gonna enjoy some fried fish. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to do this pretty quick. The grease is hot and the grease is ready, so I'm fixing to throw them in here, get them battered up and run them down there so we can start on this first batch and see how it turns out. Guys, I'm just going to dip it in that milk and egg, and I'm going to go straight to the batter with it. That's what the finished product looks like. But alright guys, I think I got about half this fish battered. I'm going to run it downstairs and go ahead and throw this on the fryer and try it out and see if we got our heat right. Alright guys, this is going to be the first batch. Here goes the first fillet. Oh yeah. Guys, I can't tell you how amazed I am that this heated up that quick. This trout's gonna be done pretty quick, and man, it smells great. You couldn't ask for a nicer backdrop to cook some fried fish on an open flame. Temperature's so good, you stay outside all day. I wouldn't dare be in Texas trying to cook fish on an open fire right now. Tell me that don't make you want to slap your pappy. Are you ready?
That's good. What'd you put on it?
Dylan, y'all caught most of them. How is it?
Make me want to smack my mama.
That's funny because that's what I said earlier. I said smack your man or pappy.
Good.
Lance, you tried any yet?
I haven't yet.
Let us know how it is.
Let's see.
All the fishermen.
No, it's good. Just like trout's supposed to be.
Good deal.
Good stuff.
Good deal.
Ooh.
All right, guys. Well, y'all heard it. They're enjoying it. All right, guys. This just about wraps up our trip to Lake City, Colorado. I've come up here with the family. Had a really good time spending with the boys up on the lakes, fishing in the evening, getting to see a lot of wildlife. I'd like to thank my mother-in-law and father-in-law for inviting us up here to spend 4th of July with them again in the beautiful Lake City, Colorado. If you hadn't been here, guys, y'all need to come up here and check it out. I don't know, I'm gonna have to say it's almost like Mayberry or something. Everything's just on slower time. Everybody up here gets along. Half the people you see up here are from Texas, probably 3/4 of the people. Man, just had a good time. Big 4th of July parade, fireworks show. Fishing all over. We've seen moose, chipmunks. Just had a good time. I love this weather up here, but I don't know if I could give up Texas for it. So I'll see y'all back in Texas. If you like what you seen, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We'll check y'all out in Texas.